folks, it's Sarah. Today I am out on Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I brought out my 12 favorite cook stoves to set them up for you guys, take some epic shots. And today I'm featuring the Gemini next to me, and I want to share my 5 top reasons why I love the Gemini cook stove and why it made it on my list to make it to this location. So, number 1, I really want to just mention the company. J.A. Roby is, honest to God, one of the best companies that I have ever worked with in the industry. They also have literally one of the best warranties because they have a limited lifetime warranty. If you start looking into cook stove warranties, you'll probably find that most products actually only have a 1-year warranty on them. So I really appreciate that they offer a limited lifetime warranty. It says a lot about the quality of the product. And then, of course, the company is really only as good as like the owners and the people working, and if they're willing to stand behind their product, and J.A. Roby has always been excellent for us. So that is my number 1 reason. Number 2, they have some amazing burning stoves. Literally every product of J.A. Roby that I've ever burned, I've never been disappointed. You will always have a clean burning glass with a J.A. Roby stove. I can pretty much guarantee it. Even right now, I literally have like a 3-foot chimney stack, and this thing is burning cherry and perfectly clean. So I'm very pleased with the performance. Number 3, I do love that it has the room blower option. That's pretty rare and it's hard to find on a cook stove because in order to have that room blower option, the stove must be EPA certified. And that's just a requirement under the EPA regulations. So it is EPA certified and it does have that room blower option. So if you have a very large home, 3,000, 3,500 square feet, adding the blower to this thing is like a freaking furnace and it will pump out the heat, and I promise you, you will stay warm. Okay, number 4 is going to be this baking oven. I do really like the height on the baking oven here. You know me, I'm like 5'1", and it's sitting up on a pedestal, but it's really nice to not have to bend down. The baking oven does get nice and hot in here, and it's very, very tall. So like even if you had a big chili pot or something like that, like you could literally fit a big soup pot in this oven. And the oven does get plenty hot to be able to do soups, you know, like slow roast, stews, that kind of thing in the oven. And I love actually baking in the oven with a lid because to me it's a lot less messy, even things like bacon and stuff like that. So that's going to be my number 4 reason. Number 5, I really like the looks of this stove, and I love that they were able to create such a large stove with such a high heat output in such a small compact footprint, okay? So this stove is really not that terribly large. It takes up a very small space, but you have this huge massive firebox and a high heat output. So that is going to be my 5 reasons why I love the Gemini cook stove. I really hope that these videos are helpful, informational, and educational. If you guys like my videos, please give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. If you have a friend or know somebody who would be interested in these products, please share them. Sharing my content really helps me out. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.